Hi boys and girls, this week we're going to be starting Chapter 2, Addition. Some of the things that we're going to cover hopefully will be review from second grade and some of them will be brand new. One of the things we're going to be looking at is patterns in addition and how those affect how we solve problems. And then a lot of mental math, things that you automatically do in your head. And reflex math is one of those things that helps us develop our mental math skills. So we're going to be working on those two. And then we're going to see some new properties of addition. The commutative property, which means it doesn't matter the order that I put the numbers in, they get the same total or sum. The associative property, I don't change the order, I just move the parentheses around. In parentheses, how the parentheses help me to keep the order of the problem and figure out the answer. And then the identity property, the identity of 0 and what 0 means when we're using it in addition. And then later on in the chapter, we're going to be looking at regrouping, what that means, how we have to regroup numbers when they get beyond a 10. And then how we estimating if your mom sends you to the store with a $50 bill, how do you estimate what you can buy when you go to the store? And what we do with that kind of information, creating bar graphs. And then we also look at, is it reasonable? If I had a $50 bill and I needed to buy 2 or 3 items, what are those reasonable prices? And as I round or estimate the number, is it going to be reasonable? Will I have enough money or will I be short? Those kind of things. And how we use those in real life. And then I call this the unknown. We solve problems that we're not sure what it is. And in our book, when you see a gray box, we call that the unknown. Include the unknown. And so a lot of times I teach the kids just to make a box and shade it in. And you have now made the symbol of the unknown. All right. First thing I want to do with you today, on today's lesson, you're going to see this page, Am I Ready? And you're going to go ahead and do that. That's today's homework. On the back page, you will not see that, but see this page, but I'm going to do it with you. We have the words add-in, addition sentence, and sum. And the directions on this back page tell us making connections. Use the review vocabulary to complete the graphic organizer. You will use numbers in some of your answers. All right, so what do I got? Bella and Tyler looked for birds at the park. Bella saw 10 tundra swans and Tyler saw 30 cardinals. How many birds did they see altogether? Complete and so I'm going to fill the blank in right here. So what is that called when I'm creating it? And that is called an addition sentence. And where am I getting that from? Right there. So I put that word there. I always put a little check by it if I've used it. So that addition sentence is, I would go back to the problem now and I'd say, how many birds did they see altogether? So she saw 10, he saw 30. So my addition sentence is 10 plus 30 equals 40. The add-in, they are, I'm going to put an S on that. The add-ins are 10 and 30. Those are the two numbers I'm working with. And the sum, or the total, of 10 and 30 is 40. Okay? So I did this page for you. You will not see this on your homework page. You are just going to go back now to slide 2 and do this homework page, and it's called Am I Ready? Okay, that's all for now. Bye.